how to create a Pega mobile app in 8.4. So I opened the 8.4 Dev Studio. Here, please navigate to the channels and interfaces. So once you are in the channels and interfaces, open the mobile and provide here the mobile app name here. Once you provide the app name here, submit. Pop-up information will be open. If you are trying to create a Android mobile app or the iOS, click those respective icons, and here you can see here we need to select the certificate set, upload the certificate, provide the name, my app, etc. So here you need to select some signing certificate, which I'll be trying to select here. I created this certificate Android, the P12 format file. I'll share you the description in I'll share the description for the link of creation, how to create that certificate. I provide here the password to for that which while you creating for that file. Select the file, choose the file, choose. Okay. So now you can able to see that certificate exists here. I'm not using the FCM server key because I'm not trying to. I don't have the Firebase certificates for the push notifications. Just submit it here, and you can able to see this is push notifications are disabled because I don't have the Google's Firebase certificates. Click the build app. Now the app will be trying to build. You need to wait for the app to build. Once the app gets built, it shows the 100 percentage. So it will take some time to build that app. Meanwhile, I'll try to show what are the other things you need to look into that to have this seamless working of the build app. You need to have this mobile build server authentication set up. The authentication profile need to be set up. If this is the before this, there will be one URL to this build server, Pega build server, and the credentials used here for authenticating the user. So if these two settings are working fine, then only this build gets perfect, and you can able to see that it's still in progress. So once that is completed, you can see that it will be marked as a green mark for that, and after completing that you need to click the save icon. So meanwhile we can go with the configurations. So any configuration changes, it requires the build changes. So here it's already by default it's a Pega platform account. Authentication, any specific authentications you want, you can specify here. In the 8.4 they are given how to unlock this app, either biometric or the device lock you can use it, or the biometric with a pin you can use it, and app pin only you can use it. Let's see what's the status. It's still 54 percentage. So meanwhile we'll try to see that I can open the existing You can able to see that it's progressing to 98%. So it is done, I guess. You need to wait for 2 more minutes. Now you can, this is done. You need to share this app, either copying the link or via this download. When you click the download, we can able to see the APK file gets generated, and you can share this APK file to the users whom you want to share that information. So you need to click the save as well here, otherwise it will not work. So I'll try to show you after the installation of this app. I'll try to show the creation of the cases. And so here you can see in the screen mirroring, I'm trying to show the cases. I'm clicking the case here, the creation of the cases. The mobile app I'm trying to create, just it's a normal case. I don't have the full functionality of the UI designed for this case type. Just it's a advancing the multi-step process. I'm approving that case, and I am able to see that just I want to pushing back to the work list. I can able to see a new case JA6 got created. Now I can show you the case which got created and will be assigned to the particular user. So I'm advancing the same thing I'm trying to show here. So now the case is assigned here. You can see here, now the case is assigned to this user. I'm going to the, you can see, now you can able to see the JS7 got created. Hope you got how to install all these things. And this is the native app, native pages. You need to place it. This is the new functionality which it got in 8.4 version. So it talks about here native pages. So you can see here in the content type, you can see navigation. What are the navigations you want to show on the mobile app? You can configure here. And the mobile list pages, just you can click that, and if you want to add any new pages, you can configure here. You can see here, these are the pages, these are the information you want to show on the mobile app. The swipe options, if you click on the left to right, what actions you want to perform, and you can see from right to left how you want to perform, what the options you want to trigger it. The settings can be done here. So similarly for the my work, it displays the my work, the work list, all this information. So any configurations, security related configurations, you can make it here. The generic configurations you can make it here, and here you can make it the logs. Any log you want to configure, the logs you can manage in the manage tab. And if you want to display the text or the image icon, what you want to, the mobile app screen, you can change here. I hope